Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This tree must be feeling ecstasy. The living entity in the tree. Ah, the holy name, Vaishnavas. How old is this tree? Anyone local who knows?
Venkay Prabhu? Anjay Prabhu?
Approximately. We don't want the birthday.
100 years?
Huh?
50 years, man.
50, huh? 50, huh? Vanaprastha. So you've been waiting 50 years to hear the holy name by all of you, by all of us. Wherever there's a temple, all living entities living in the temple or close to the temple, they are immensely benefited. And all those living entities who hear the holy name, that is, for many of them, the beginning of their Krishna consciousness. And in Shastra it explains that it is guaranteed that next birth they will have human form of life.